Hello everyone, are you a nurse from Sri Lanka planning to work in the UK? This video is very important for you. Alright, today I'm going to explain what is third-party verification and how to do it in a simple way. What is third-party verification? In simple words, the Nursing and Midwifery Council wants to make sure that your documents are genuine. So they choose third party or contact your nursing college or previous hospital or your registration authority to verify your qualification and experience. And also, third party verification helps to confirm your nursing degree or diploma, check your work experience, avoid fake or incorrect documents. If your third-party verification is correct, your NMC process becomes faster and smoother. Let's see how third-party verification works step by step. First one, submit your documents to the NMC and provide correct contact details of your regulators. Then the verification team will contact them. They confirm your details. Report goes back to the NMC. Once it's approved, you can move to the next stage. Especially for the Sri Lankan nurses, once you submit all documents to the NMC, you have to contact our Sri Lankan Nursing Council regulator through the call, or you can go in person if you are in Sri Lanka. And you have to let them know you are in an NMC process now and you need a third-party verification. And our SLNC also need 3 documents, which is character certificate, which is from our current working employer, and also the medical certificate. I have submitted my TB certificate, and also you have to submit the verification certificate. This verification certificate we have to get from SLNC. So for this, there is a special form you can download from SLNC website. Last one, our police clearance. Still, if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments. I will give you the clear explanation later. For international nurses, these are common mistakes to avoid. First, wrong email of regulator and delay in response from your employer, not informing your referee, and submitting incomplete documents. From my experience, please always inform your hospital HR or your regulator before you start the third-party verification. This will help you avoid unnecessary waiting. I hope this video helped you understand what is third-party verification. If you found this useful, please don't forget like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.